Hey design lovers, welcome back to my channel at RQ Graphics. Today we are going to design a poster in Adobe Illustrator. In this video, we will explore the fundamentals of creating a visually stunning poster that grabs attention and communicates effectively. Whether you are a student, designer or entrepreneur, this tutorial will guide you through the process of designing a poster that stands out. In this tutorial, we have 6 guidance which are most important. First one is define your objective. Second is choose a theme. Third is balance and alignment, most important. Fourth is imagery and graphics. Fifth is typography and six or last, color scheme. Keep it simple and focused. Use white space effectively. Experiment and get feedback from others. Kindly take a deep breath, grab your mouse and follow my lead as we design this stunning poster in few little steps, and watch this video to the end so you don't miss out anything. Still, if you found anything hesitate or anything that makes you tough, please leave a comment below. I will guide you as soon as possible, as much as I can. Okay? Continue designing, follow step by step tutorial and focus completely. Hope you will enjoy it, and I am totally hopefully you will learn something here. I'm going to quit here. You just have to focus on your poster design. Hopefully you learned. If you are still here, that means you are passionate. Here's our poster is almost done, and yes, alignment and last touches. After that it's ready. Okay, yes, it's completed. Hopefully you like. If you liked it, so leave a comment please. We will meet in next video tutorial very soon. Till then, bye bye.